Hello everyone, it's Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to create themes and use themes in all of your Train Day courses to make them all look uniform to your exact look and feel for all your e-learning and workplace safety training courses, right? So here I am at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to go to themes right here and click create a theme, right? So I'm going to create a new theme. I'm just going to grab this image that we made in Canva, right? And we're just gonna keep this as our default theme, right? And I'm gonna add some text here, but I don't need to write any specific text because it's just gonna replace the text with whatever the AI generates for our course, right? So I'm gonna put it right there, and I'm actually gonna change the font here a bit, and I'm gonna change the color of the font to this color right here. And I'm gonna click save, and this is gonna create a new theme for us, right? So you can see our new theme here. You can edit it, delete it, whatever else you want to do. So now we're going to go to create, and I'm going to create a course. So I'm going to do onboarding. I'm going to use Google reviews, and I'm just going to find an insurance business, right? You want to find your own business or whatever business you're creating training for, right? But we're going to use this data source. And let's see if we can find a 5-star. We can. We'll grab this one, and we'll use this data. And right now we don't need to create a template with the AI because we already have our theme that we're going to apply to our course. So we'll just click blank, and it's just going to create a blank course, right? So right now it's creating the content, the slides, the video scripts, it's adding the presenters, and it's also adding an interactive quiz, right? So after we get this, it's going to generate our first slide actually completely, and then we'll just apply our theme, and we should be 85 to even 90+% to our desired outcome because we also created the theme, right? So let's see what we get, and then we'll edit maybe a couple other little slides in it, and that should be our finished product, right? All right, so here's our course. All right, so let's click on it, see what we got. All right, see our first slide is generated. We're just gonna go to themes. We're gonna apply this theme to all slides, and there we go. Let's click on this one and see if there's a little bit more of this text. Yeah, so we'll just make this a little bit smaller. Right there, that looks good for us. Okay, we just gotta make this font just a little bit smaller because it's cutting off some of the text. There we go. And we'll just go through this and edit just a little bit of this. So I wanna make this text font a little bit smaller. And you know, in your theme, you can go and actually edit this. So let's go like that. We'll make this person right here. That'll work even better. And of course, you know, we could actually increase this person, right? So let's actually make this person a little bit bigger and put them right there, right? And you know, you can always get a preview of it.
Hello, I am here to create your...
Right, so that looks good. And now if we preview our course, right, you can see it actually looks pretty good already. Let's see what it sounds like.
Welcome to Brightway Insurance at 3003 Claire Lane, Suite 401, Jacksonville. We're thrilled to have you join our team. Today we'll guide you through our company culture.
So that already looks pretty good. All our slides look good. And you know, you can always rearrange them. Let's say if we wanted this one over here, right? Now when you refresh the project, you get all the slides in a different order, right? So that should be pretty good. You know, what's next is you just add your learners, unless you need to export the slides to a PowerPoint or a scoring package or anything. This is pretty good. And, you know, we can always create quizzes based off of any of these slides. That's super simple. We'll do that really quick just to show you. So let's say I'll just move this quiz right here. Click on it. I want to generate questions. And let's say I want to generate the questions on both of these slides. We'll use this as a data source. We'll create 4 questions. And now we should have 4 multiple choice questions that we can use kind of as a knowledge check in between our course, right? So now, you know, if you preview the course again, you'll see these 3 slides and then a quiz, and then it goes on, and then the final quiz at the end, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day and have fun with all the themes. See you next time.